Hi friends, this video shows how to change voice typing engine of Samsung keyboard. First let me open this messages app, tap on this new message icon. Here you can see the Samsung keyboard, but right now in this keyboard microphone voice input button is missing. I will show you how we can enable that missing microphone voice input button and how we can change voice typing engine. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, go down, tap on general management, go to keyboard list and default, then enable this option keyboard button on navigation bar, enable it, then enable Google voice typing, tap on OK, ensure that default keyboard is Samsung keyboard, then tap on Samsung keyboard settings, tap here, these are the Samsung keyboard settings, go down, tap on voice input. Here you can see three options: Samsung voice input, Google voice typing, none. Samsung voice input and Google voice typing, these are the voice typing engines. First let me test this Google voice typing engine. Select it, then go back, then go to messages app. So now here you can see the microphone voice input button. This is a microphone voice input button of Google voice typing engine. Let me test. Tap here, hello, testing. See, it's working. If you want to stop, just tap here and stop. Done. Next I will show you how we can change this voice typing engine from Google voice typing to Samsung voice input. Again go to settings and go to the Samsung keyboard settings, then tap on this voice input. So this time I am going to test the Samsung voice input engine. Select it, done. Then go back, to messages app. So now here we can see the microphone voice input button of Samsung voice input engine. Let me test. Tap here, hello, testing. See, it's working. If you want to stop, again tap here. This way we can stop. So this way we can change voice typing engines. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.